How to track your Amazon order with a tracking ID 2026. Have you ever received a shipping notification with a tracking number, but didn't want to log back into your Amazon account just to see where your package is? Or maybe you're tracking a gift someone else sent you? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a tracking ID to follow your package's journey through Amazon's own tracking portal and third-party carriers, ensuring you know exactly when it will arrive at your door. Tracking by ID is the most efficient way to stay updated without digging through your order history. Whether your package is being handled by Amazon Logistics, UPS, or FedEx, here is how you track it. Step 1. Locate your tracking ID. You can find this in the shipping confirmation email Amazon sent you or under the Track Package section of your orders. It usually looks like a long string of numbers or starts with letters like TBA for Amazon's own delivery service. Step 2. Use the official Amazon tracking portal. Open your browser and go to track.amazon.com. This is a dedicated, streamlined page where you can simply paste your tracking ID to see the current status of your shipment without needing to navigate the full Amazon store. Step 3. Identify the carrier. If your tracking ID doesn't start with TBA, it likely belongs to a partner like UPS, USPS, or GEL. On the Amazon tracking page, look for the text that says shipped with to see which company is actually moving your box. Step 4. Track directly on the carrier's website. If you want more granular details like the exact weight of the package or the specific local facility it's sitting in, copy that ID and paste it into the search bar of the carrier's official site, such as ups.com or fedex.com. Step 5. Use a universal tracker. If you have multiple packages from different sellers, you can use a universal tracking site like 17track.net or Parcel2Go. These sites allow you to input any tracking ID from almost any carrier in the world to get an instant update. Here is an expert pro tip. If your tracking ID starts with TBA, it's being delivered by Amazon Logistics. These packages often feature real-time map tracking once the driver is a few stops away. To see this, you will need to use the Amazon app, where you can actually watch the delivery van move toward your house in real time on the day of delivery. By following these steps, you can keep a close eye on your deliveries using nothing but your tracking ID. If this video helps you find your missing package, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 shopping tips. Are you having trouble with a specific tracking number that won't update? Drop the carrier name in the comments below and I'll help you figure it out.